Hello everybody. Today's video is the latest boat that I have made, and this one is more of a Starfire's kind of space fighter theme, and it's got a couple features that my other ones have not had. I'll talk about the trolling motor first. This is the old 30 thrust that I've had. I modified it. I now have a speed control mounted to the side here, and I'm hoping that works really well. And I have a new arm. When it's in the water, you'll be able to see how that works. I have also this time added, thanks to you guys commenting, solar panel. So I have a solar panel here. I think it's a 10 watt, and you lift it up, and underneath we have a charge controller, and you have a solar panel there, which the solar panel hooks up. Then you have your battery, which goes to your battery, and the trolling motor will just clip right onto that. So they're very, very simple. But I thought I'd give that a try. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of sun today, but it's still going to give you a little bit. And next, I have this rod holder. And these are pretty cool. You can get these on Amazon. And it just detaches, and you can put it whatever angle you want. Just snaps back in. Just pop that and it slides out. I have the emergency paddle, just in case. Hopefully I don't have to use that. The motor works just fine, but I've not tested this motor yet on this new configuration, so hopefully it will be good. Alright, so there's going to be two links in the bottom. One is for how this was built. The book will be on Amazon, and the other link will be the boat before that, which is on Amazon. First comes the build, then comes the water. Let's go. Wish me luck.
Good luck.
I'm not even sure how to get on it.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, the handle takes a little bit getting used to. I do really like the speed controller though. That's nice. Not having to lean back and get a bunch of stuff. Well, it definitely does need some more flotation in the back. It's a little low, a little lower than I want. But I'm pretty happy with the design. Just needs a little extra love in the back here, and that probably won't be a problem to take care of at all.
Looks very smooth.
It actually is fairly smooth. I will be upgrading to the 55, so I really need to put some more flotation in the back, make it compatible for bigger, heavier motors. Nice little Sunday cruiser.
Just a man in his boat.
Yep. It is so much easier with this arm on here. And the speed control, it was a good addition. A little burnout. All right, so with the 30 thrust motor, pretty slow, but before tearing out my big one, I didn't want to mess with this one in case I broke it or anything. But full speed, this is pretty much what you got. Just a slow cruiser. The steering does take a little bit to get used to. I've never done this before, but I think I already got the hang of it.
What's your favorite part about it?
The looks of it. This is, I think, my favorite design, how it looks. 'Cause I really like sci-fi stuff, and this to me kind of looks sci-fi-ish.
And you were saying earlier you could do something to where you can do a one-man job on this, taking it to the lake, putting wheels on it or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a modification, theoretically. It's gonna add some more buoyancy in the back. It's also gonna have wheels in there, so you can just push it right out and wheel it out without any issues. And it's a really nice day. It's too bad there's no real sun out, but yeah, we are ahead of a storm, so. And it is mid-October.
What's the temperature, like 60s today?
I think today is 66. It's funny, the last time that we filmed it was 98. So obviously that was midsummer and a scorcher. I think a great addition would be an umbrella, and that would definitely keep the sun off me, but today we don't have that issue. So that's cool. But yeah, it's a little slow, but I like it a lot. I really like the design. Just needs a little bit of tweaking, and I think it'd be a really great boat. And did you have a good time?
Yeah, great time.
You liked the boat?
Very awesome.
What would you do for improvements?
Either add some buoyancy in the back or add a little weight to the front just to keep it going. Maybe a couple more fishing rods if you wanted to do like 2 poles at one time. Cool. You have a place for a cooler if you wanted to strap one on?
That's coming.
All right.
It's a secret. It's one of the secrets. So I did want to mention there's going to be some behind the scene footage of kind of how we set it all up. It's going to be on my cameraman's channel, which is
Not my day job.
There you go, check it out. And the link will be in below as well. So, cool. We will do that, and if you guys find it interesting, the kind of behind the scenes stuff and all that good stuff. Okay, cool. So overall, success. Just needs a little bit of tweaking on the back, a little more flotation. And I am gonna probably add a couple more things into it. Pretty cool stuff, I think. But you'll have to wait till the next video for that. And if you guys could, please share and like. It does help the algorithms, and that helps me out a lot. So, all right. Thank you for watching as always. Take care, and God bless.